We're located in Carmel and Merthyr Tydfil. We can take up to 20 children per session, aged from age 2 to 4 years old. At the moment, we currently have 4 members of staff.
All 3 of my kids have come here to Cylch Meithrin, Carmel. My child's development has come on unbelievable, to be honest. Like I said, he only started in September and he knows all his numbers in Welsh and English, most of his letters through trick-a-click, and he is starting to recognise my middle child's reading books from the work they are doing here.
We follow the foundation phase curriculum, which is based on learning through play. Activities throughout the day would range from painting, sand and mortar, building, craft activities. We take part in brushing our teeth as part of the Design to Smile scheme. We then go outside to play where children have the opportunity to ride bikes, play in the water, we have mud digging, and we end the session then with songs and stories.
It's just the little things, not just education-wise. The children know how to share, they know to take turns, they know to sit and listen, and know how to treat other kids.
What's that?
He's listening to us talk. Children also have the benefit of learning Welsh, their numbers, their colours, their letters, all before start of school, which gives them then a head start.
Staff are lovely. They act really well with the kids take to them really easily. I know that the kids will be safe with them.
By starting childcare from an early age, children are familiar with being left, so when they start school they've already gained their independence skills, their social skills, and they're used to being away from their parents.